Have you ever really looked at an indoor sump pump basin? Have you ever really felt an indoor sump pump basin? How thin the material is? And how little of room there is inside it to displace water? How it tapers and gets smaller at the bottom, which makes no sense at all. It takes less water to turn this sump pump on now because it's tapered. People put blocks inside this basin so that their sump pump can be up higher where it displaces a little more water, trying to reduce the cycling. But it's still not enough because in its entirety, this doesn't displace any water. And it most certainly isn't strong enough for a lawnmower to go over. All right, guys. After all that, how can you extend the life of your sump pump? How can you build an outdoor storm system that handles the kind of rain that comes off your roof, comes off your driveway, comes off your yard? This cycling that wears out sump pumps, 99 out of 100 are worn out at the switch. 99 out of 100 sump pump failures are due to the frequent on-off. The short cycling of a sump pump. This is the death of a sump pump right here. Short cycling. What do you do to improve that? You build a chamber. You build a chamber that's extremely long. You build a chamber that will displace a lot of water. You build that chamber to have a lot of inlet so it can draw in all the water. Because you're going to run dual pumps, and to keep up with those dual pumps, you're going to need all that inlet. We got sump viewers, so you don't have to pop the hood to see what's going on. 1/2-inch inlets throughout. And you want to know what it's made out of? Culvert pipe.